welcome to the Fantas Family channel. My name is Laurie, and in today's video, guys, we are going to do a house tour here in Legazpi City. Okay, Legazpi City, Bicol, Philippines. So we are going to stay here overnight, and we actually spent 4,542 Philippine pesos for these, and in USD it was 81 USD. So these two-story home. It's actually a fully furnished home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and everything is there. Okay, all you need is there. Also, it's very beautiful. So, come on, guys. So this is what you're gonna see here. This is their service gate, guys. Okay, and they have here their the gate for if you have car like that, and then here Makatrex. And here, if you have a car, you can actually park it here inside. It's spacious, guys, very beautiful. And one thing that I noticed is that this place is very clean, as in very clean. And also we found it on Airbnb, guys. Very beautiful. And yeah, come on, let's find out, guys, what's inside. So here, come here. So this is what you're gonna see first, okay? And here, the first thing that you will see is they have these uh, they have chairs here for guests, and to welcome the guests. And then you will see their long dining table. It's very beautiful. And yeah, they have TV. You can watch what do you call these TV programs here in the Philippines. They have this like a vault, this typing thing, and then they will give you this welcome to this thing. You will find here the password of the Wi-Fi, okay, and everything. It's very beautiful here, guys. Come on, and here you will see here their very cute refrigerator with this drinking water. And when we first came here, guys, they offered us a welcome drink, tea. It's very delicious. Okay, and also they gave us this one. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm going to make you hungry. They gave us this sandwiches. Yeah, okay, so we will have this later. But yeah, we had pizza. Okay, but yep. So this is their kitchen, guys. It's very cute, very beautiful. Their sink. They have this thing if you want to cook. They're complete knife, everything, mugs. This thing for your cooking. And then they also have these cabinets here. They're the spoon, fork, knife, I believe. Everything, they have it here. They're complete, guys. Very good. Also, they have this very cute shelves in here with a lot of stuff. And here they have storage. This is their storage, guys. They have fire extinguisher, this thing. And this is their first bathroom. So they have bathroom here downstairs. Okay. Okay. So this is their bathroom, guys. It's tiny. You can take a bath here. Look at that. Look, I am 4'11", guys. And look how, I can touch the ceiling. Okay, I'm 4'11". So if you are 5 or 6 foot, then you have to go like this, bend. They have a cute sink. They have this one, and then this one here. They have this thing here, complete. They have soap, tissue, towel. They have bidet. Filipinos, we use water. And then, yeah, this one. Next. They also have dirty kitchen if you are planning to cook something like fishy or smelly food, like a strong. They have this one here. You can cook here. Very good. Complete, guys. They have sink, the thing, and then their trash bins, everything. Okay, next. Oh, that one over there is the place where the caretakers live or stay. You know, they have caretaker here. So if you need something like help, like you have questions, you can ask them. So yeah, they also have this beautiful window. So if you're sitting down here, guys, you can just watch what's going on outside. So I know it's against the light, but yes, they have this beautiful thing. And this is, come on guys, going upstairs. Okay, so as what I mentioned earlier, guys, this is a two-story house. Okay, so let's go. Let me remove my slipper because that's what we do. Filipinos know that. So come on. They have three rooms here. Okay, so the first room that we are going to check is this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the first room that we are going to check, guys, is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Smells really good. Aircon is working. It's very spacious. Look at the bed. Look at that. It's very soft. And they also gave you this towel. It's very soft, guys. It's a huge, I believe this king size bed. Yeah. Or I think, yeah, it's big. And then they also have these drawers. They have books, windows. And this one, I really love it. Look at that. I love the color. I really love it. Later, because I have class, I'm gonna be, I'll be using this. I'll teach here. I have my laptop here, our stuff. And then they also have TV here inside the master bedroom. Okay? And then here, you will have a tiny place to relax outside. A terrace. This one, guys. So you will see here green, what do you call this? The olives? I forgot what is called. This for hair. Yeah, and then you can see the scenery here, guys. Look at that. The place here. Okay. Next. It's just tiny, perfect for like two chairs and then one small table. And then here, guys, they also have a big cabinet, very good because they also offer mm, flat iron. Okay, so you have these, and then if you have like clothes, dresses, you can put it here. And it smells good in here, guys. Very good. The money is worth it here. And here you will see, and here, guys, you will see a full length mirror. Beautiful. You'll see yourself if you want to see that. Okay, here, the second bathroom. This is bigger than the one that we checked downstairs. So they have sink here. They will give you free toothbrush, toothpaste. You have here the hand wash. This is their thing. It's very clean, guys. I'm very amazed. Okay, everything here you'll need. Okay, the shower here. They also have a if you want to have a warm bath, you will. Okay, so perfect. And it's also a high ceiling. Show the ceiling tricks. High ceiling. Okay, very beautiful. Next, okay, so this one they have two doors. So if you want to go here, you can. Come here. So here, let's check the second bedroom, guys. This is the second bedroom. It has aircon as well. But this is a single bed. Oh, it's there! Wow! It's very soft. So as you can see, you'll see here like guns, right? Water guns, I believe. I don't know what kind of, but it's guns, toy gun, and then books, and then this one, and the aircon, and you can see what's going on downstairs there. Okay, so yeah, it's a nice size of a bedroom. And here, guys, okay, we are going to check the third bedroom, and my baby is here, our baby. Let's check. Oh, she's having fun. So they have a double deck here, guys, and look how good is it because they have like toys. Look at that. Okay, so our baby could play here. Amara could play here. They have like books for kids, stuff. They also have cabinets here, guys. Look at that. They have cabinets in here. The same thing. Okay, and yeah, this is it. This is the house, guys. Everything is here. If you have car, if you have motorcycle, or even if you just call taxi, malls are nearby, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes away. And yeah, resorts. There are resorts nearby. Like 5 minutes away as well. Everything. Restaurants are nearby. Any kind of restaurant they have here, like pizza, anything, any kind of food. It's here. It's nearby. And even hospitals are nearby here. So this is from Airbnb, guys. My husband is gonna put the link on the description. So whoever interested, you can check it out. Or if you wanna book it, then book it. It's very beautiful. And the two caretakers, they're very kind. I really love the ates. And then they were outside. They were, they're the one who's taking care of this house. And if you need help, you can just call them. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Lori. If you have questions, please comment down below. Thank you.